How to disable YouTube Shorts permanently on iPhone. YouTube does not offer a built-in option to disable shorts, but you can use some method to hide or reduce them. So let's get started. Firstly, open the YouTube app on a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Once logged in, simply scroll down till the Shorts section. So now once you're in the Shorts section, you can see the three dot option available in the top right of the Shorts. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be shown options on your screen. Now, all you have to do is tap on the show the less shorts option available there and refresh your YouTube and scroll down. There you won't see any shorts available. So that is it. This method is very effective and easy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.